Mabuhay, maayong hapon sa tanan akong followers, viewers, and supporters. Guys, this is Alexi Fernandez from North Asia Central Manpower Services, Davao Branch. So, I am inviting everyone, especially to those young people of today, please submit your resume to our office. Harap lang siya ng Central 911. Guys, marami akong hiring. Meron kong hirings para sa merchandisers, promo merchandisers, beaker, utility, hiring din ako sa helper, hiring din ako ng driver, hiring din ako ng sales agent. Please submit your resume together with your requirements like TIN number, ISIS number, PhilHealth number, Pag-ibig number, NBI, birth certificate, sidula, health card, drug test. Guys, madali lang.